Hello, welcome back to Wordsworth Modern Railway. Today we're running two classic BR Green diesel locomotives today. Here's the first one. It's a Class 31, hauling a rake off BR Maroon Mark 1s. Travelling in the opposite direction is a Class 40. That's hauling a very nice rake of Pullman carriages. The Class 31, it's a Hornby model. It's quite old now, but it's still running pretty well. It was quite easy to fit with a DCC decoder. It's hardwired into the motor wiring. Meanwhile, the Class 40 that we've just seen go by, that's an old Lima model. Once again, it's old. Could be due for replacing soon with a new Bachmann version, but until that happens, I'm quite happy with both these models. Both these locos have been sat under the layout for a little while, so before running today I had to give the wheels a little bit of a clean and a light oiling. I've just panned the camera around to South Fangor so we can watch the trains actually come through the station here. As can be seen, I managed to get one of the new towers complete. Still lots of work to do on this fascia before I can actually move to the inner buildings. But if we pan round, you can see South Fangor is quite a big station. It has two lines running through it, and then it does have, if we lift up, two lines running into a bay platform. Here we are back around at North Fangor Junction, and running down the right hand side is the branch line. Today this is being worked by a Class 20 with a single rake teak.